been great. I've never had to wait. You know, they take my name and number so I can get back into the shop when they're ready, or they get a technician, they call me back, sit down, listen to my problem, look at what I'm doing to see maybe what I'm doing wrong or how I could do it better. It's just been excellent. If somebody sells you a product they don't support, to me it's useless. That's why I like BobCAD. You know, they're always there. It's never, well, we'll call you back. They don't call back. You know, they'll support the product, help you with anything you need. You know, and to me that would sell me a product in a heartbeat. Absolutely. Just because of the support in itself. You know, like I said, they'll come to you. You can come to them. They have seminars in various locations that are reasonably priced and, you know, easy access to get to. Seems like they really want to support their product to help you grow in it. Because if you're good at it, you have fun with it, you like it, you're going to recommend it to your friends. Haven't eaten the donuts yet. I'm not big on sweets.